To all the sick people out there, I want to remind you that even in the midst of your health struggles, you possess an immense amount of resilience and inner strength. The fact that you are still standing, fighting, and seeking ways to improve your well-being is a testament to your incredible spirit. Your journey may be filled with ups and downs, but I believe in your ability to overcome obstacles and find healing. During difficult times, it's normal to feel overwhelmed and discouraged, but please remember that there is always hope. The road to recovery may be long, but each step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Surround yourself with positive energy, whether it's through the support of loved ones, joining a support group, or seeking professional help. Remember to take care of yourself, both physically and mentally, and celebrate every small accomplishment along the way. While it's natural to feel frustrated or discouraged at times, try to hold on to hope. Medical advancements and breakthroughs are happening every day, and new treatments and therapies are constantly emerging. Science is on your side, and with time, there may be new options available that can bring you closer to recovery or improve quality of life. Never underestimate the power of progress and the potential for positive change. Additionally, remember that your worth extends far beyond your illness. You are not defined by your health condition, you are a unique individual with talents, dreams, and passions. Continue to pursue your interests and hobbies, as they can provide a much-needed sense of joy and fulfillment. Surround yourself with loved ones who lift you up, and seek support from others who can relate to your experiences. Together, we can uplift and inspire one another on this journey. You are not alone in your fight. The world is filled with countless individuals who empathize with your struggles and wish you well. Stay strong, have faith in your ability to heal, and keep moving forward, one day at a time. You are stronger than you know, and brighter days are ahead. With unwavering support, Hopeful Hughes. Looking for a daily dose of inspiration and motivation? Look no further. Subscribe to my YouTube channel dedicated to all things motivational and join a community of like-minded individuals on a journey towards personal growth and success. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your life one video at a time. Hit that subscribe button now.